Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will see the evaluation in Python. Okay, so let's start. So what is the meaning of evaluation in Python? Python execute a statement by evaluating its expression to values one by one, then performing some operation on those values. If we talk about Python statement, then how Python execute statement will execute. So Python statement will execute according to its expression. So firstly the expression will evaluate, okay, on values, and after performing, okay, evaluation, then what the operation will perform on those values. Okay, next thing we can see Python evaluate an expression by first evaluating its sub expressions, then performing an operation on the values. So Python firstly execute the sub expression, okay, then perform any kind of operation. In Python there is a built-in function also called eval. You can use the built-in Python function eval to dynamically evaluate expression from a string based or compile code based input. Okay, so how eval function will work? So it is based on string based or compile based code. Okay, compile code based input. So in this way eval function will work. Firstly you can see the syntax of eval. Here is the syntax. Eval eval firstly the expression, it is compulsory, then global and local two arguments. There are three arguments: expression, global and locals. This global and locals are optional and expression is compulsory. You can understand the evaluation by this example. Suppose we have taken eval function and we have given two expression 1024 and 1024. Here is the mathematical expression, so here will be the output of addition 2048. One more eval expression we are seeing, here is some function and we have given 8, 16, 32 values, and again you will see the output. So in this way we can understand how the evaluation will execute in Python. Python actually evaluate expression according to the type of expression you have given in eval function. Okay, suppose you have given addition expression, then it will add. Suppose you have given some kind of expression, then it will also add. Suppose you want to take multiplication operation or other kind of logical relational expression you want to give, then you can give. So it is completely up to programmer which kind of expression the programmer wants to execute. Okay, then you can use. If you have any kind of doubt in evaluation in Python, then you can write into comment box. So thank you for watching.